How to search messages in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and want to read on how to search messages on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to search message, simply tap onto DMs right here. Tap on it. Now here you will find the messages that you have did, and if you want to search, simply tap onto search bar right here and simply search for the message that you would like to see, just like this, and you will see the message. So you can also see the files, canvas and channels as well. And that's it. This is how you can search messages in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.